Welcome to the Clipacore, the Boss Drill instructional video. Comes in a really solid metal case. Colour brochure. Labelled very clearly with all the technical information. Comes with a quick release extension bar. So we have the drill adapter on the male end of the extension bar and the universal core adapter on the female end of the extension bar, which then gives you just a nice little extra with the drill. So with the drill, it comes with a 1/2 inch drill arbor adapter attached to the end. That then allows you to put the extension bar on. Clip goes in. Let's do that the other way around. Or if you so wish, the universal core adapters with a core bit attached straight on. Comes in two models, 230 volt, 1110. The 1110 is a 1500 watt, the 230 volt is a 1700 watt. 1 speed, 2 speed. The 1 speed is the 1000 RPM and the 2 speed is 2000 RPM in use. Comes with a built-in anti-mechanical clutch, anti-kickback, so that if there's a snag in the wall, it won't rip the wrists off. It's set at about 20 Newton meters torque, so very sensitive, which is a good thing. Instantly kicks in. It's got an overheat cutout to protect the motor, so should it be in use for long periods because of it being a hard or a long wall, it will just cut out and then reset. The handle, very heavy duty, 360-degree swivel on its collar. So it's anti-clockwise to release and adjust, clockwise to lock into position. Speed setting number 1, which is the lower RPM, is for 82mm up to 152mm sizes. The larger the core bit, the lower the RPM. Speed 2, the 2000 RPM, that can be used from 22mm up to 82mm, because the smaller the core bit, the higher the RPM.